We're browsing through OpenCourseWare, we're looking at a lecture, we're here listening to the lecture, and some things start to not make sense anymore. And starting getting into a coin analogy of some sorts. Like, what? If only I could ask the professor, wait, professor, what do you mean with coins? Well, that's the idea, how we envision our product. In this case, you can simply ask the chatbot to give you some information about something that you're seeing in the lecture real time. And it knows the context of the lecture. It knows the context of what you're looking at. And it gives you a coherent answer. Now, what does ChatGPT think about this? Well, if we were to ask the same thing to ChatGPT, it does not know the context of where we are in the lecture. It does not know the context of what has happened until now. If we simply go ahead and ask exactly the same question, we get something about blockchain. This is the idea of our extension. How can we personalize education? How can we tackle this question? And how can we reach students all around the world? And so, how does it work? It currently has some integration with OpenCourseWare. Due to the constraints in times of a hackathon, we could not download the whole OpenCourseWare library and train the model in the whole OpenCourseWare library. But this is where it gets great. It is not fine-tuning of the model. It is not retraining some large language models only on the information of the course. It's using the transcripts that are freely available on OpenCourseWare. It's utilizing them to create an embedding. And then it takes the user's query with this embedding, resulting in a blazingly fast loading time. We see that it does the PDF to text translation, and then it is doing a bunch of queries to our API system. It is storing them in a database that we have hosted using Modo. It is using. This is real time. This is not sped up at all. And we see that in a matter of seconds, this has finished. And so once it's finished, we don't even have to do anything. The API is already there. We just reload the page and we're ready to go. We can ask a question now in this new lecture that we previously did not have access to. And it is that simple. We wanted to make something simple, something reliable, something that worked, something that understood the problems that you need to deal with.